Okay, welcome to Sunlands. Today, let's unbox this. The 45-watt PD charger from Samsung. Here's the bag. Got serial number, everything. Let's unpack it. You get this thing only. Wow, the power brick is much heavier than this one. This one is the Oppo one. Compared to this one very heavy and solid. Yeah. And luckily this one have series one. Plug in. And let's see, this one is about 1.8 meter, up to 5 ampere cable. Very long, right? Plug in. This one is super fast charging 2.0. Yes, it's very fast. We have 34 minutes, and I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.